and some of y'all that work for me, y'all know Juan. But Juan is the customer service manager. One of the co-owners. Of the Up Above Adventures, and Juan is a master of like hospitality. I mean, he did a wonderful spread. He made some food, and he's a great bartender as well. So let's have some fun, and don't go overboard.
That water's cold.
I get wet. There's nobody.
No.
You don't like it now?
I've never had it.
Well, try it, Ruby. He has
it's got liquor in it though.
It's like horchata.
It has liquor.
Yes.
Oh no!
You don't like horchata?
Is it hot?
No.
Oh.
It's chill.
Oh my God! Take a sip.
Like it over there, hot.
I like it, but it's not.
I like horchata, but that's tastes good. It tastes like horchata.
Yeah, eggnog is kind of
Like rum chata. Yeah. Oh, that shit's good.
I'm trying to tell you.
Way good. Oh, you got that one. Get you another cup. No.
Well, just try a sip. If you don't like it.
Like horchata. Oh, rum chata.
I like horchata.
It's really good.
Rum
Here, try
chata's
it.
nasty. Just taste.
She said rum chata.
It is nasty.
Ooh, that's good.
You don't like it?
Cut.
I know, cut. We got it.
Cut the cup.
No, it's not. Her face. I saw her face. That was awesome.
You didn't listen. It's good.
It's How was your trip?
Amazing.
You have an awesome time?
We're sailing the open water.
Open water. Did you have a good night? You have a good trip?
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
Everything was really fantastic here.
Excellent
Everything
trip.
was wonderful. The boat is fantastic. It's just so relaxing and it's just neat and it's clean and beautiful and spacious, and you've got all the amenities, great restrooms, on top of the deck. God, that's fantastic. The
It's a
view,
nice view.
very, very spacious and nice and relaxing. I mean, really, really nice.
Yeah.
Out here in the front, it's just great. You can sit out there, you feel the breeze and everything. You can see it all around. In here, it's so spacious. Like, she gets motion sickness, and she goes, I feel very comfortable here. It's been fantastic.
You were fine?
Yeah, I took my motion sickness pill like at 3 ahead of time, so I didn't get on it and then take it so it could kick in. It kicked in maybe way when, but I don't feel sick. That's why I even had like 1 drink. So yeah,
2 drinks.
One drink at a time.